Good morning, friends. Welcome all of you to my today's session on Structural Design 1. Today we are solving a problem on the design of shear reinforcement or to find out the spacing of shear reinforcements. See the question. Calculate the spacing of two-legged 8 mm stirrups as per minimum shear reinforcement for a beam 350 mm wide and 500 mm overall depth of FE 415. So here what are the data given? So diameter of the bar is given as 8 mm diameter. Stirrups 8 mm vertical stirrups to be designed, and breadth of the beam is given as 350 mm, B 500 mm overall depth, capital D is equal to 500 mm, and Fy is given as 415 Newton per mm squared. Right? The grade of steel is given. So these are the data given to find out the spacing of two-legged stirrups, vertical stirrups. Right? So the overall depth D is given as 500 mm. So assuming an effective cover of 50 mm, we can find out the effective depth small d is equal to 500 minus 50 is equal to 450 mm. The effective depth of the beam is equal to 450 mm. Right? So as per this data given, how to find out the spacing of two-legged stirrups? So the area is given, that means diameter is given, so we can find out the area, cross-sectional area of, that means ASB, we can find out the area of two-legged stirrups. That means 2 into pi by 4 d squared, pi by 4 d squared, that is 2 into pi by 4 into 8 squared. 8 mm is the diameter of the bar given, right? So it is two-legged stirrups, so multiply with the 2 into pi by 4 d squared, the value will be equal to 100.53 say mm squared area. So ASB is known, right? Now refer the code IS 456. From the code you can see the relation ASB divided by B into SV. ASB divided by B into SV should be greater than or equal to what? 0.4 divided by 0.87 Fy. So this relation is given to find out the minimum vertical shear reinforcement. ASB is the area of shear reinforcement, B is the breadth of the beam, SV is the spacing of shear reinforcement, equal to 0.4 divided by 0.87 Fy is given as 415 Newton per mm squared. Okay, so by using this formula you can find out the spacing of bar. That means spacing of the shear reinforcement. So that means ASB here 100.53 divided by B is equal to how much? 350 mm into SV is unknown. SV is the spacing, right? SV is the spacing. Therefore, SV will be equal to 0.87 Fy into ASB divided by 0.4B, 0.4B, where B is the breadth of the beam, okay, or width of the beam, right? So find out this value, and as per the clause, I already told you in the last class, the clause is given in IS 456 26.516 and also 26.515. From these two clauses, the spacing of shear reinforcement we have to find out Using this formula 1 SV, and again as per the code data, we have to find out 0.75D. 0.75D, where D is the effective depth. That is 0.75 into 450, find out that value. And also the maximum spacing should not be more than 300 mm. So the three values to be calculated. The first value, as per the code particulars, ASB by B into SV greater than or equal to 0.4 divided by 0.87F5. From that you will get SV1 value of SV. And number 2, this is 1. Number 2, 0.75 into D, where D is the effective depth of the beam. That is 0.75 into 450 mm. You will get the second value, and the third value 300 mm. So from this you should take the minimum value of the spacing. Okay, from this the minimum value of the spacing should be taken as the spacing of vertical reinforcement, right? So as per the code provisions in clause 26515 and 26516, these three relations use to find out the spacing of shear reinforcements and take the minimum value as the spacing, right? That much mm you will get, that should be the spacing of the reinforcement. I think it's clear to find out the spacing of the reinforcement as per the code details. It's okay. Thank you. One and all, we'll see again in the next class.